BillyTheTrueGoat, here to go ahead and give y'all some more economic updates because some big things happened last week and we got some bigger things happening this week. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna make this quick and brief and let's go ahead and get to it. We have Bank of Japan interest rate decision. They finally decided to raise it as the markets anticipated. However, even though it strengthened, it lost strength right after due to the fact of the comments from the president. Pretty much still sticking with the same forward guidance that they have been sticking with, being data dependent. Don't know when they plan on adjusting or etc. etc. They are just data dependent and just watching the price action as they go. So again, this disappointed the markets, and you've seen them gain strength and then lose strength right after. Unfortunately, this has been going on with Japan for a while now, as I've been noticing, so we can probably just continue to keep close eye with their forward guidance and see what there be. We also had Trump attend WEF, the World Economic Forum, where prime ministers, trade ministers, finance ministers, central bankers, and business leaders all come together to pretty much give insight on what to expect for the rest of this year and their plans. Trump, we had some interesting things come from him, saying that he is in the works of oil price cuts, production mainly here in the US, tariffs that we going to see more often with them being implemented, and we also seen or heard him also say that he's also going to cut interest rates, or at least push forward towards it. So that's all of the juicy information from last week and what happened and took place. What's taking place this week, we have the FOMC meeting. All eyes is going to be on that because interest rate decisions also is about to come up too. But we all know that the market's already pricing in a hold. That's already in place. We is not expecting no cuts due to the fact that we just don't know the policies that Trump is trying to implement fully. So they're being very cautious at the moment. We've seen that on their dot plot, we have a very hawkish stance. CPI is still stickier than usual at 3.2%. We got GDP very solid at the moment at currently 3.1%. We've seen that their expectations for their inflation for 5-year and 10-year is still up there, with 10-year being at 2.4, and we've seen that the 5-year is 2.55%. So we can definitely expect more inflation to be higher than usual, or at least around those percentage lines. So with that being said, we only see the Feds pricing in only 2-to-1 interest rate cuts this year as they continue to look forward to Trump policies, tariffs, etc., etc. But we've also seen Trump, as he came into office, the dollar had decreased, or should I say weakened, 2.6% due to the fact that he didn't implement tariffs right away. However, we may be seeing him implementing 25% on both Canada and Mexico this week. So all eyes is also going to be on that. So just keep that in the back of your head as y'all continue to trade in the global markets. So with all that being said, the main focus will be on geopolitical tensions and geopolitics as we continue to move forward with Trump being in office, policies being implemented, Feds deciding their interests and monetary policies, etc., etc. So pay attention to all the big things that's happening, and let's go ahead and win this week. Let's get to it. Let's go ahead and show y'all what's going on the economic calendar this week. Starting with the 26th, something small. We only got the Chinese PMI at the moment. The 27th, we have German IFO and US home sales. We also got the 28th. We got US ECB consumer confidence, US durable goods. We got Bank of Japan meeting minutes. And we also got RBA with a weighted medium CPI. On the 29th, we have a lot more things happening. We got Bank of Canada rate decision on top of that. We also got crude oil inventories, US rate decision, and their FOMC meeting on top of that. So we got a lot of juicy things happening on that day, along with a lot of earnings calls like Meta, IBM, Tesla, Microsoft. Yeah, a lot of things happening on the 29th. So stay aware, please. On the 30th, we got German with their GDP. We also got Euro unemployment and Euro rate decision too. So that's could be another big day. After that, we also got US jobless claims and their GDP. We got Tokyo CPI and French CPI too. And last but not least, we got the 31st with the German CPI, US PCE, CAD GDP, and the consumer spending for US. So this is all of the juicy things that's happening this week. Stay informed. We're about to get it going. For anybody looking on how to actually take advantage of this in the markets using economic data, go ahead and hit me up personally. Hit me up on Instagram, BillyTheTrueGoat, all together. Go ahead and email me. It's going to be in the comment section below. Discord channel is coming very soon, so I'll go ahead and keep everybody up to date on that. So for anybody who's looking to join community with real information and real guidance on actually how to use this from how I actually do it, hit me up. I got you. Let's go ahead and win this week. It's going to be a big one. Let's continue to go ahead and get these profits. TrueGoat out.